Did you see that? XRP just exploded past $3.60, and Stellar Lumens surged 138% in one night. And it's all because of the Genius Act. This historic move by the U.S. House of Representatives is sending shockwaves through the crypto world. The Genius Act is the first major U.S. legislation focused on cryptocurrencies, and it outlines strict but transparent regulations for stablecoins. It requires that all USD-backed stablecoins be fully backed by US dollars or short-term government bonds, along with regular audits and mandatory disclosures. This is a game changer. The act is designed to boost trust and bring legitimacy to the crypto market, something both consumers and institutions have been waiting for. As a result, the market responded instantly. Prices for major tokens like XRP and XLM surged overnight, drawing in millions of dollars in fresh volume. It's a powerful sign that regulation, when done right, can ignite bullish sentiment. Stellar Lumens XLM saw an immediate benefit from the Genius Act. The project, known for its focus on global payments and financial access, uses USDC, one of the most popular stablecoins in the US. Since the law passed, USDC supply on Stellar jumped by 18%, reaching $181 million. At the same time, Stellar's network saw user activity rise sharply, with active addresses climbing to 258,000. Transaction volume also surged, hitting over $1.6 billion in just the past month. These numbers tell a powerful story. Confidence is back, and that matters, especially as big names like Walmart and Amazon explore using blockchain-based stablecoins for transactions and settlement. Stellar's ability to offer speed, transparency, and low fees makes it a serious player in this new regulatory environment. The Genius Act is giving Stellar exactly the boost it needs to go mainstream. Ripple isn't sitting back either. The company recently launched its own fully USD-backed stablecoin called RLUSD, which has already secured over $520 million in reserves. What sets RLUSD apart is its full transparency and regulatory alignment, something that could give it a big edge over USDT, which has faced criticism for being backed by a mix of fiat and other assets like gold and Bitcoin. If US regulators crack down on USDT, RLUSD could easily fill that vacuum. That's part of the reason XRP's price shot up, from breaking past $1.90 earlier this month to hitting $3.60. Technically, XRP has broken out of an 8-month-long consolidation and moved above its year-to-date high of $3.38. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, and other indicators are flashing bullish, and analysts believe it could soon test resistance near $4.26, a key technical target based on its bullish flag pattern breakout. Stellar Lumens is also showing strong bullish momentum on the charts after forming a double bottom pattern at $0.2175 and breaking the neckline resistance at $0.335. XLM is now comfortably trading above its 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages. On top of that, a bullish pennant pattern has formed, which typically signals continued upward movement. Market analysts are eyeing a breakout that could take XLM up to $0.6353, its highest price back in November. This would represent a massive gain from its previous lows and confirm its return to a strong uptrend. All this is happening at a time when institutional interest in blockchain is growing. The Genius Act, by clearing the regulatory fog, allows both Ripple and Stellar to scale their operations and attract enterprise-level users who were once hesitant. The market is beginning to reward projects with solid fundamentals and legal clarity. So what does this all mean? The Genius Act may be the single most important piece of crypto legislation to date. By offering clear rules for stablecoins, it's opening the door for wide adoption, and Ripple and Stellar are two of the best-positioned players to benefit. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin could soon challenge the dominance of USDT, while Stellar's fast-growing USDC ecosystem is ready to support cross-border payments at scale. If you're invested or thinking of getting in, now might be the time to take a closer look. This isn't just a price spike, it's a regulatory revolution. Are you holding XRP or XLM? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe for more updates on crypto regulation, price action, and what it all means for the future of finance.